Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Amazfit Bip U to your phone. First, make sure your watch has sufficient battery and is turned on. Next, download the official Zepp application from your smartphone's app store. It's available for both Android and iOS devices. Also, ensure your phone's Bluetooth is enabled and you have an active internet connection. Your phone should be running Android version 7.0 or iOS version 12.0 or a newer operating system. Now, let's get your devices connected. Launch the Zepp app on your phone and either log into your existing account or quickly create a new one. Once inside, tap on Profile, then Add Device and select Watch. You'll then choose the watch with a QR code option. Your phone's camera will activate. Use it to scan the QR code shown on your Amazfit Bip U's display. Finally, accept the pairing request that appears on your watch to complete the connection. Sometimes, connections can be a bit tricky. If you encounter issues, first check your watch's battery. It should have at least 20% charge. Try restarting both your phone and your Amazfit Bip U. Also, toggle your phone's Bluetooth off and on. If the watch was previously paired, remove it from your phone's Bluetooth device list. As a final step, you can perform a factory reset on your watch through its settings menu, then attempt pairing again. Once connected, the Zepp app becomes your central hub for your Amazfit Bip U. To ensure continuous data synchronization and receive all your notifications, keep the Zepp app running in the background on your phone. Dive into the app to explore features like detailed health monitoring, personalized workout plans, and a wide array of customizable watch faces. This allows you to truly personalize your smartwatch experience and get the most out of your device.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.